Hi, and welcome to this tip of the week. Today, I wanted to show how you can create an inset of a spinning object. If I want to show an inset of this HoloLens spinning, first I would duplicate it by selecting and hitting Ctrl D and dragging that duplicate well below the ground plane. Next, create your animation. For that, I'm going to hit record, spin it in the direction I want, click the time bar, make sure it goes a full 360, and be sure to check that my easing is linear. Drag that time bar as long as you like it to be, and make sure that your loop point is right at the end there. Let's just play this through to make sure it's seamless, and it looks good. Next, we're going to go up here to create and create a new camera. Position this camera so it views your HoloLens or whatever object you're spinning. Next, come back up here to create and click cube. And you're going to want to position this cube so it encompasses the entire HoloLens and camera. When we think it looks good, let's scrub through our timeline to make sure no parts are sticking out. And that's looking good. And with this cube selected, let's come over here to its object properties, create a new material. Let's name this depth mask. And let's choose the material preset, depth mask. We'll see that any objects within that cube are now invisible. And now we're ready to create our inset. So let's come up here to the UI editor, make an inset visible. Let's change our type to camera, and let's select that new inset camera. Let's turn our UI on, make sure that's looking good. And now if I simulate this step, we can see our HoloLens that's below the ground plane down there is spinning and visible in our inset, and it is invisible to our user's camera. And that's it for this tip of the week. Thank you very much for viewing this tip, and we'll see you in the next one.